Mall Fidget Haul. From the Poppet stand, I got this guitar Poppet. They actually let us touch all the Poppets, and this one was definitely my favorite. And it's loud on both sides. And from this store called Burlington, I found these two Poppets for only $4.99. Usually one Poppet is like $7 or $8, so this was such a good deal. Let's open them up. Here they are. The pink circle Poppet. Okay, quiet side. Oh my gosh. And the blue square Poppet. Whoa. This one's so nice. For only being $5, these are so worth it. And from Mind Games, I got Specs. This feels amazing. Lastly, I got a Squishmallow gummy. Bye!